In this one, let's learn about visibility. Elements can be hidden from view with the visibility property. The visibility property can be set to one of the following values: hidden or visible. The first one, hidden, hides an element, and the second one, visible, displays an element. And in the example above, the list item with a class of future will be hidden from view in the browser. So the last list item. Keep in mind, however, that users can still view the contents of the list item by viewing the source code in their browser. Furthermore, web page will only hide the contents of the element. It will still leave an empty space where the element is intended to display. That's exactly where is the difference between visibility property and display property. And they have a note here. What's the difference between display none and visibility hidden? Right here, this is what I mentioned previously. An element with display none will be completely removed from the web page. An element with visibility hidden, however, will not be visible on the web page, but the space reserved for it will. Okay, take a look at the list items in index.html. Notice that the list item donate has a class of donate. Let me find that list item. So right here, it is this one right here. Add a class selector for donate. So let's go there and let's add a class selector for donate. And now let's set the visibility for that element to hidden. So visibility hidden, and let me run our code, refresh the page, and as you can see, our element is not visible anymore, but the space that element occupies is here. And let me show you the difference between visibility hidden and display none. Now let's go there and set display property to none, update our code, and now our element is not visible and the space it occupies is also gone.